Hello everyone, today we will be seeing how you can connect your phone to your Toshiba Google TV. For this, first thing you can do is just connect it with any of the HDMI port you want, and then you can see it on the side of your TV. I have also shown the picture, so you can connect here the cable and connect your phone with it. So directly you can take an access of it. Now you can just see, this is the cable which I have used, and other than this what you have to do is you just press on inputs. There you will be getting the highlighted option, like if whichever HDMI port you have connected, it will get highlighted and then it can access the device and you can do whatever you want by the help of your device. Other than this, the second way is to just go on your settings and from there take the remote and access option. So for this you have to go on remote and access options and then press on Bluetooth. So just open the Bluetooth of your device as well as the device you want to pair. Now as you will be owning it, it will just asking you the permission. So there will be one code arriving on your mobile. You have to enter that code in your TV or vice versa also. So in this way you can just pair it, and you have to also provide the accessibility also, as it will be asking in your mobile that you are just willing to just give the access to the party which is asking. So you have to press yes if the device you are pairing is right one. Then you can see it in your paired device. Now what you can do is you can just access it, press it on, and then after that, as you will be giving it a access, then as you will be seeing in your devices, then you will be getting there, as you will be having a Wi-Fi connection and it is connected with your device, then your device is accessible to your TV and you can do play the things from your device also. And also you can just copy paste the things which you have there on your TV and you want it to be done on your mobile or vice versa from mobile to TV, so it can be done easy. So this is the way how you can connect your phone with your Toshiba TV. Thanks for watching.